via Route 26 between Indonesia and Bahrain. Now, join with us, Coach Dragan Talajik. First of all, Coach Dragan will give comment about the game. Please, Coach.
For everyone. This one doesn't work. No? One more time. Assalamu alaikum and good evening for ladies and gentlemen. I can say first, congratulations for Indonesia for the win. The result was 1-0 from my side. I'm a little bit upset just with this result because I think we deserve minimum to be draw this game because one mistake from our side, small mistakes, small details making him to score goal, and after that was everything on his side. I'm only sorry for one details, you know, I'm here to represent the Kingdom of Bahrain, beautiful Kingdom of Bahrain, and I'm so sorry when was our items, 65,000 people is not respect our items. So sorry, I know Indonesia is much better than this. Thank you.
First of all, Coach, what do you think that you could evaluate from your team about today's performance? Do you feel your team already good enough for today, or you think that there is much area that your team can improve in the next match? Thank you.
Thank you very much for your question. I cannot say anything badly about my boys. His try on this unbelievable weather for us really is too much hot and too much humidity. He gave the best what he can on this moment. Of course, we are not satisfied with the style of the playing. We can play much better football, and I'm sorry because we are not show you all what we can. But we will try to continue in this group stage another 2 games to show for everyone how good football we can play, and inshallah to try to win next 2-1.
Match, how do you see the competition between the other teams, except Australia and Japan, the competition between other teams in this C group? Thank you.
Look, this situation now making a little bit difficult for Bahrain, for our team. But also I will tell you something, you say now Japan and Australia. I think only Japan is qualified. Australia have to fight more to be sure to qualify like second one. Because now position 3 and 4 is open. Now Indonesia is a little bit better position than us, but you have to play, I think, one more game with Japan or something. That's mean, you know, still is open. But you are now in better position for one step than us. Thank you. But don't forget Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, you say Japan and Australia. Also Saudi Arabia is difficult, you know. He has chance. Also we have chance still. That means everything is open. Very heavy group and everything is open.
Okay.
Anything for my players. Was a lovely atmosphere. I can say during all game, lovely atmosphere, nice for the football. But like I say on the beginning, I cannot accept 70,000 people not respect items of Kingdom of the Bahrain. This is not right. But other things, everything is okay.
Okay. Any question? Maybe last question.
Congratulations for Indonesia.
Thank you.
Saya, Cynthia Rompas. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen,